Let's go through the June's Ipsy BoxyCharm. So as you know, BoxyCharm is 5 full-size items, whereas like the Ipsy Glam Bag, usually everything is more minis and you'll get like 1 or 2 maybe full size for the month. So let's start off strong. The Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. Say that 10 times fast. This is a nourishing and makeup removing cleanser. No Glow Recipe has some bomb products. I'm more on the oily skin side, so I feel like a lot of their stuff specializes in more like dry skin, because you see a lot of artists and people use a lot of their glowy products. So I'm excited to definitely try this out. I love a multi-purpose product and they have got good ingredients. I think it's REM Beauty, the Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. This is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like a teal ocean blue, like through the packaging. Just to smooth out a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin and let it completely dry before putting on makeup. Even though I'm just unboxing these, I'm gonna try this guy out. Like, oh, that's interesting. So I'm gonna actually just try this on the back of my hand since I already have makeup on right now. It's got a cooling sensation when you first put it on, but it's not velvety or like slick like some primers. This feels like it like hydrates into the skin. This feels like it absorbs into the skin right off the bat. From Neogen Dermology, this is going to be a panthenol serum. I think that's how you pronounce it. It says it helps out with skin texture. We're definitely gonna have to add it into the regimen. Lifestyle Co. This is an Align travel fragrance. Let's open her up. So it said that the notes are apple, bergamot, violet cedar, amber, sandalwood, and vetiver. These all sound delicious. And I love when brands have the notes. I am like not fragrance savvy. So I appreciate like you guys took the effort to put that on there so I don't have to Google it. Now I can get on board with this. This smells like when you just come out of like a fresh shower. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna spray this on before my husband gets home. 2 lip glosses from the band called Pink Lips with 2 Ps. These colors are gorgeous. These are the shades that they sent. They're a lightweight formula and they have an extreme amount of pigment and they're non-tacky and they're an all-day wear. I think I'm gonna touch up with this pretty champagne-y tone. So let's put this on. It's like a thin applicator, so it's not super thick. And then I already have like a lip oil on, but we'll just put it on top. It's got a little bit of a fragrance to it. I don't mind it. And they're very smooth. Again, like it says not tacky. They're really comfy on the lip. That was everything in this month's BoxyCharm. What did you get in yours?